Many of you will already know of the Suzuki Swift, built by HKS, which holds the second fastest front-wheel drive lap record around Tsukuba circuit, has a central driving position, and features a 4G63 Evo engine running 640 brake horsepower or 720 brake horsepower with nitrous. But for those of you who haven't heard of this car, in this video I'm going to tell you all about the specs of the car, as well as share a couple of hot laps around the circuit it was built for. Be sure to watch to the end so you can find out how to enter for free into this video's prize draw to win a HKS jacket. Today's feature car is based on the ZC33S model Suzuki Swift. I say based on since not much of the original car exists, including the name, which HKS now call TRB-04. The TRB part standing for Tsukuba Record Breaker, and the number 4 being that this is the 4th car in the TRB series. A quick recap of the first 3 cars in the TRB series being the Toyota Altezza as TRB-1, TRB-2 came in the form of the Mitsubishi Evo 8, and the number 3 car being based on the Toyota GT86, which is currently the outright record holder at Tsukuba. Comment below if you'd like me to put videos together featuring any of these cars, and I'll get on with it right away. Getting back to the Swift though, apart from a cool name, it also has some insane modifications worth talking about. HKS modified the K14C engine, which is a 1.4 turbo, putting out 138 horsepower or 103 kilowatts as standard. They also moved the driving position to the center to maximize weight distribution, and in order to reduce weight, a carbon fiber roof and rear quarters as well as a space frame front end was fitted. Let's now ride on board for a hot lap with the stock engine in a highly tuned format to see what time was achieved back in the beginning of 2019. A 56.919 was achieved, which is incredible for a front-wheel drive setup. However, HKS, being the determined company they are, didn't just want a good time for a front-wheel drive, they wanted an amazing time, full stop. In order to go even faster, much more power was going to be needed, and the 1.4 engine just wasn't going to be enough. So as already mentioned, the decision was made by the company to swap to the 4G63 engine from an Evo and tune it to 640 brake horsepower, or 720 with nitrous. The lap with this setup allowed the fastest ever front-wheel drive time to be set. A small tuning company broke this record a month later in an 800 horsepower Civic, which I'll do a separate video for in the coming weeks, but let's not take away from what HKS achieved with the Swift and ride on board for its hot lap. have it at 55.498, putting it 3.9 seconds faster than the fastest road legal car, the R35 GTR Nismo. If you've enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you taking the time to press the like button, and to be in with a chance of winning the HKS jacket, simply comment below with what car you have, and when the video reaches 1000 likes, I'll select a comment at random on a Facebook live stream as I do with all the free giveaways on the channel. You can click on the screen now for the video I did on the Yashio factory modified GR Yaris, and until next time my friends, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.